It's Gary. Meow. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. Good job. What are you doing up there?
Trying to clean your gutters.
They ain't just mine. They're our gutters. Watch out for nails.
You know, I ain't even thought of that. That'd be something. What is?
I like your technique.
Huh?
I like your technique. Do it again.
I'm not doing it again.
Do it again.
No. You can't make me.
I'm picking your nose. Do it again.
That bear. I just kidding.
That's a mean trick.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, let me hold the ladder.
Just please. So how you do it? Huh?